Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with this puzzle page, the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, March the 16th, Sunday, March the 17th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page six puzzles. The first one is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. We have here two binaries with 3 stars, two Sudokus with 3 stars, and the last puzzle is a killer Sudoku. Tomorrow, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, and in the evening I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. But first, this first one is a 3-star Sudoku. Yeah, 3-star Sudoku. Let me zoom this. Number 8202. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Alright. Usually the 3-stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2-stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. For 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright? So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about a 7 in this column? 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 place level. 7 should be here. Or there we have 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 place level. 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in this column. Last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. No. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 3 boxes here. 7 in this column. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 place level. 7 should be here, or there. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 in that column. No 7 there. Only place level 7 should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 7. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this row. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Should be there. Alright. Then 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 place level 8. Well, we have a pair. I believe the 8 and the 6 in this row, the 8 and the 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 place level 8 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be in, 6 goes there. Alright. Then cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. Wow. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, only 2 place level 2 should be here, only. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright. 1. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so row between. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3. Only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3, well, we have a pair. The 3 and the 7 in this row. 3 and the 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 place level 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So third column, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3. Let me finish the 7. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Okay, and now. Let me go back. The Alright. I'm thinking. Yeah, 8, 8. 8. 8, 8. Let me think. 2 there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Right. Yeah. 1, 1. Need a 1 there. Well. I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So the first row. Only place level 4 should be there. Yeah. Need a 4 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column. 4 last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 place left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. Well, I cannot continue with the 4 now. How about the 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the first row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 here. 1 here. Cannot continue with the 1 now. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 and 5, 9 and the 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Need a 4 here. Need 4 there, okay. Then 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, the only place left is 6 should be there. Then, well, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8 and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those. Well. 1 box left in this column. I believe the 9, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes, 9 and a 5. We have a 9 there, so this box should be a 5. That box should be 9. A 9 and a 5. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square from my 1. The 2 is missing. Alright. I can finish the 2. 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So that row. Only 2 places left. The 2 should be here. 1 there. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left of 5 should be there. 9 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left of 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Okay. 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 8 is missing. How about these 2 missing numbers in the third column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Here also 6 and the 9 in this row. Let me mark those. Okay. 2 numbers are left in this big square. 1 is missing. 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between. And the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. So here, 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 and the 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Well. Not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.